What is up, guys? Welcome back to Burning Gas. And today I'm back with my 13 Chevy Silverado and another bumper mod. So, wow, look at that. I actually lined that up pretty well, didn't I? Almost got it right in there. All right. So, this is the next mod. It's this bumper, and I'm going to have to move it to get in there and install it. But anyway. So yeah, I'm going to be installing the Barricade HD winch bumper with LED lights on my 13 Silverado. I looked it up, and there's literally no videos of anyone installing this bumper. Like, I can't find anything anywhere for the Barricade bumper here. So, I'm going to install it. Hopefully this helps some of you guys. So, what we do here, we're going to start. This cover comes off. These just pop out. This cover comes off. And then the grill comes off. And then we can move on. Take the whole bumper off. So, time lapse. There are tabs down in here, and they are a pain in the neck to get out. Why can't I get it? I got that one, and I got this one, but I can't get these. Vice grip. Needle nose vice grip. Oh yeah, that did it. Oh, yes, you know, I almost forgot about this. You can kind of see them in here, maybe. Maybe not. There's a light, and here's a light. I installed these. They're $10 at Walmart, so now I have to uninstall. And my other option is to leave them installed, and I'll just... Haha. Has to come apart. I think, yeah. I think it's just this. Well, it might not. Well, yeah, maybe. I don't know. I can't tell. Maybe there's directions. Hey, look, there are. This will make my life easier. That's a tip for you. When in doubt, read the directions. So now, I'm just gonna read the directions for. A little bit. A line that's not 18. 20 millimeter. It's not even a millimeter. 18. It's not even millimeters. It's a 13/16. So I don't know what you're doing, Barricade, but your direction. Where'd they go? Your directions are wrong. Wait a minute. Yeah. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Discard factory hardware. So these. Yeet! Oh, brother. Hat comes. Hello. Do you hear that? I guess you hear that. What is that? What the Sam hell? What's over here? What's over here? Carbon monoxide? What? Where is it? What? Carbon monoxide detected. My dad's an electrician. Is it this thing? It is.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Do you guys hear that? Can you hear that? So anyway, oh, now you can hear it for sure.
Carbon monoxide.
Ha ha! No, your battery's dead or something. Open. Ouch! That's loud. How does this open? Oh, shush. Oh, I pushed it. Shush. Be quiet.
Fire.
No, shut up.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Oh, be quiet. Slide to open door. Oh, there we go. Ha! Warning, carbon monoxide. I don't think so. So if I die, you all know why. Oh, shoot. Hey, I got a text message. But you know what? I also got this bolt out, so. You want me to get out of here before I take this thing out? Oh, hello, what's this? Oh, come on! Now what? Ouch! I don't need that. Check that. Ouch. Oh. Okay. I should straight up just drive it like this. Oh man. And my sisters just came in. Coffee and cookies. Oh, that's gonna be good. It's hot though. I gotta let this stuff cool off for a minute. So, I'm just gonna set it over here on my table. There you go. So I got my, these things unmounted, my tow hooks, and I actually have a friend who wants them, or he might want them, I think, I don't know. So I got them unmounted. Here are the bolts. This is hilarious. This slides in here, and it's what held this on here. So it's like, okay, well, whatever. That's a very unique bolt. Anyway, mounting hardware is right here. So I'm gonna mount these up, and then we can start sliding bumpers on. Look how far out, look how far further it sticks now. Like here's where the old mountain hardware, this sucker hooked up right here. Look at that. That is ridiculous. Okay, with help from an assistant, installed a new bumper. Assistance! Slight issue here. So just gotta booyah. I don't think this fits. I wonder if that needs removed. Doesn't say it. Where are the directions? Doesn't say that in the directions, but it doesn't say. All it says is to remove this nut. So I think I have to actually. I'm gonna have to remove this whole piece here. I know I am. There is no way that's gonna fit with this light here. So okay, so I got both of these uninstalled. This thing was kind of in my way there, so they're gone. And now I can pick this up, put it where it needs to go. That's coat number one. I'll probably do a second coat and then clear coat. Comes off. There it is. Same thing on the other side. Okay, so another issue with this bumper. I'm not actually a huge fan of their entire setup. They have a couple of issues. But anyway, the new plug for these fancy fog lights is an entirely different size than the stock fog light plug. So I took their harness that they send along and I cut just this end off of it, wired it in, and replaced my original plug with that, taped it up real well, and so that works great. And then it just tucks right up inside the bumper here. It tucks in. So that's just another note you need. And I installed these. They look good. So yeah, my battery went dead for some reason. I don't know what I had on that was draining it. Goodness, sorry, I'm getting a cold. I don't know what I had that was draining it, but it got drained, so it's charging. But there, that's the bumper installed. I'll get you some good exterior shots. You have to cut all of these down. This mud flap in here. I cut that down because it comes down to like here, stock. So that all needs cut. This is your windshield wiper fluid. I don't know if there's any way to fix that. I doubt it. On this side, again, have to cut it back. There's some for mount here that kind of gets in the way, but standing up, you won't really notice it. And now my bumper goes, so stock is like right here. So now look how much clearance I have. I can pretty much that. So I used to be about right here, about that far away from it, or about that far away from my tire. This came pretty much straight down, you know, so I can fit 35 now. Might have to do a NorCal to the back, which is where you take a sledgehammer and just beat on the metal, bend it back. But all in all, I'm really pleased with this bumper. I really like it. So I'm going to order a winch. That'll be a separate video. I'm going to order a winch, and yeah, I think it looks sweet.